Today I'm going to make a very simple card holder that would eventually hold the key as well. So I have here a card, and this is our access card in the apartment where we are staying, and this is our door key. So I want them to be always together, so we're going to use the card to get into the apartment, into the building I mean, and then this is our door key in our apartment. So I will just be using this key holder as well, and I'm going to use my scrap yarn and my 2.5mm crochet hook. So let's get started. So I will just make a slip knot, and I will make a number of stitch, and I will just base it on my card. So let's see how many stitches it will cover. So I just made a chain of 15. What we need to do next is single crochet on the second chain from the hook, and just make one single crochet on all the chains except for the last one. For the last chain, I will just make 3 single crochet. And we're going to make our single crochet across to go back from where we start and make 2 more single crochets on the last chain. I will not be making a slip stitch, rather I will be making this single crochet in rounds. So just continue doing your single crochet. As you move up, you can take your card and then you can just try it on. So we're just going to continue single crochet around until we reach this top, and then I will be showing you how we can attach our key and also our key holder. So now let's see if we can fully cover our card. So now I'm going to stop doing my single crochet of rounds. So I stop here right after the middle of the card, and I will not be continuing and slip stitch and close my yarn. So what am I going to do is turn my work, and I'm going to make 3 single crochets on the next 3 chains. In my work, and I'm going to make 3 single crochets again, so I will just be making a rows of 3 single crochets until I can fold this one. We're going to insert our key holder on our rows of 3 single crochets. So I am happy with the height of my rows of 3 single crochet, and this is approximately 5 centimeters long. After I cut my yarn, I'm going to attach on the other side. We're going to continue doing our single crochet on the other side. We can hide our tail as we go along. And we are going to stop right before the start of the chain 3 rows that we made. So we can stop right here, and we're going to skip. We're going to give space because later on we are going to insert this one here so that our card will not be falling down. So I'm going to skip 3 chains and I'm going to make 3 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, and the 4th chain we're going to make our single crochet. And now we are ready to slip stitch and close it. So I'm going to slip stitch on the next 2 chains, and I'm going to cut my yarn. And I'm going to take my yarn needle and I'm going to sew this end. Can put our card inside, slide it in, and then you're going to insert this one on our chain 3 space on the other side. This will eventually hold your card and it will not be falling down. Turn on the other side. We're going to fold it this way, but first we have to slide in our key holder, just like that. And we're going to sew this side on this side. Then we can just weave in our end, and we're going to put our key. And now we are done with our card holder with our key ring. So now we are done with our card holder with the incorporation of our key holder and our key. So your card is safe, it will not be falling down. Anyway, the card and the key should always be together, otherwise we cannot go into our apartment. Okay. So again, I hope you enjoyed our very simple tutorial for today, and thank you again so much for joining me. Happy crocheting everyone. Stay safe and God bless.